Lead Magnets Packages Review. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks for stopping by, and today I'm going to be reviewing lead magnets packages. This is a way to copy and paste four ready to go generating funnels that will effortlessly attract thousands of targeted, hungry buyers that you can also build your email list with. Okay guys, so it's going to show you how you can do that. There is one upsell and the front end is $24. This goes live on September 3rd at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it is being launched by Adam Goodall. Plus guys, I've got loads of awesome bonuses that I want to also give you so you can help grow your account, grow your traffic, and grow your profits guys. So let's get into it right here. Let me take you to my bonus page, Kieran's Amazing Bonus Bundle. This is going to stay up until September 6th, 11:59 on Monday. Got plenty of time guys. Okay. And this is basically buy one, get 3 packs free. So legally copy paste, ready to go lead generating funnel that will attract thousands of people, grow your buyer list at the same time. All right, so let's get into it guys. There is no faster or easier way to get that list built at last. For a very limited time, you'll get the 4 funnels in one insanely low price in their ironclad 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. Typical internet marketers spend months or years struggling to make minimum money, and this is a way that they say can prevent that. You can start making some money. So guys, we're going to get into the front end and the upsells and everything that is in the upsell in a minute, but let me take you to all of the benefits that you're going to get from this as well guys. So you're going to get all my bonuses rather. My first one is Instagram traffic storm. So this is a way that I thought, okay, how can I help you also get traffic from another source? Instagram has millions of users, right guys? This is going to show you how if you implement the same system that is in this bonus, you're also going to have a lot of extra traffic through Instagram. Okay. Also guys, I've got a 5-figure case study for you. This is by one of the higher well-known affiliate marketers, and he shows you step by step how he's able, just through emailing and some general affiliate marketing tips and tricks, that if you follow, you can also get these kinds of numbers too guys. It's not hard, it's just about following. It's basically like cooking, following the recipe, following the ingredients and the steps. Okay. And guys, how to build a buyer's guide. So this is a very, very simple way that you can collect somebody's email, and also you're helping them out as well at the same time. So it's really cool. It's like a quid pro quo. You help me, I help you kind of deal. And this is very, very simple. It's a win-win situation. Also guys, from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. This is a very in-depth tutorial. Gives you lots of useful knowledge and how you can copy this and then start doing the same thing guys. It's really handy. I've seen this, I'm doing it, and it's great. Okay, the next one, how to rank higher with YouTube. This shows you a lot of cool tips and tricks that you can again copy, and then you can see how you will be able to get higher up in the YouTube rankings, possibly able to monetize your channel faster, start making some side income like that, and also stand out from your competition as well guys. So this is another powerful bonus that I think you're really going to like as well. Okay, next one guys, how to harness Facebook for big traffic. Now this is loaded with information. This is about a 12 video step-by-step of how to guys, how to use Facebook groups, how to find the right Facebook friends, how to use ads, how to find the best ads, people that are selling the ads. So many powerful things in this bonus that you guys don't want to miss. Also guys, I think this is my 7th and final bonus, crazy traffic explosion. So guys, I'm really trying to give you more traffic to help you with your funnels so you can capture those emails, get more people knowing about your product, your promotions, etc. This is some more information that's going to help you along the way. Okay guys, and like I said, so all you need to do to get this guys, if you go to the bonus page here and you click on one of these buttons, for example the order now, it's going to kick you over to either JV Zoo or Warrior Plus. They're both being launched here guys. Okay, and then it's going to, if you're on Warrior Plus, for example, you want to click on this blue button here. And if you're at JVZoo, you'll click on this blue button here, and it'll kick you over to this page, and then you will get all of my bonuses that are also going to help you guys, okay? So let's learn a little bit more about it. So guys, if I just take you to the top of their sales page, and I'll play this video for you as well. This is just their sales video, okay guys?
How many times have you heard the guru marketers say the money's in the list? Every sensible marketer says it, and you know it's true. To make any kind of real money online, you're going to have to get yourself a subscriber list, ethically. But the fact is, building a responsive email list is not that easy. Even if you already know how to build web pages or create red-hot products, write email offers to rival the best copywriters in the world, and have the skills and patience to create, test, refine, and optimize every component before you ever get a single subscriber or make a single penny, it's a lot of time and work. The ideal solution would be to have someone else create the squeeze pages, thank you page, follow-up emails, step-by-step videos to build trust and relationship, graphic designs, and basically hand you everything on a plate. Done, tested, and ready to go, right? However, those kinds of packages are way out of reach of many marketers. Well, at least. But here's the good news. For the first time ever, a professional team of internet heavyweights have created a unique package of complete, ready-to-go list-building funnels that you can leverage today at an affordable price. You'll get 4 complete funnels, each addressing a high-traffic key market, each with a high-value video giveaway. No dusty old-fashioned reports here. A 7-part follow-up email sequence to do the selling for you, and of course the websites themselves, ready to upload and set live. There's no faster or easier way to get that list built at last. And for a very limited time, you'll get all 4 funnels for one insanely low price, plus almost $3,750 in bonuses that are yours to keep. The typical internet marketer spends months or years struggling, never making a penny, and finally give up, defeated, frustrated, and broke. Don't let that be you. You can be better. Read the page below and discover how you can start building a massive and profitable list of raving subscribers at warp speed level at a ridiculously low price by acting today.
Okay guys, there you go. So you're getting 4 done for you funnels, the landing pages, the thank you pages, the opt-in pages, and all that stuff. So let's find out a little bit more about this. So plus you get the full private label rights to these materials that will help you build your list at lightning speed. Okay, so let's find out a little bit more about it. Down below there's some more information that I want to show you guys. All right, so the lead magnet package, guys. So here's the deal. I know you're a smart marketer and you want to spend more of your valuable time doing profitable stuff. Okay, let's get into the meat of it here. So you'll receive super high value training videos to educate your new subscriber on the topic of interest to them. These are proven to boost sale conversions way higher than old-fashioned PDF downloads and reports. Video presentations are magnetically attractive to subscribers, so they can't wait till they opt in and get the content. Keep the subscriber on your site where you can show them targeted offers as they watch and position you as a high value, high authority expert provider exactly where you need to be to gain their trust and make more sales. So each video, they say, is between 8 to 15 minutes that are going to teach you the steps that you need to do to have that authoritative type presence. Also, guys, you're going to show you how you can get better at just helping the audience get what they need as well. So guys, module 2 is going to be, you'll receive a full follow-up sequence ready to import into your autoresponder. So you could have Aweber, you could have GetResponse. These are professionally written emails that are effortlessly pull clicks from your list and send them to high converting, high paying offers, pumping cash into your account, guys. The beach office starts to look very possible with this kind of automatic sales machine working for you while you sleep. The average person needs to see an offer or interact with a vendor multiple times before they buy. In fact, around 60% of buyers don't buy anything at all until they've been exposed to the product between 4 and 7 times. Without a follow-up sequence to keeping your subscribers engaged, you'd be leaving the majority of your potential income unclaimed. You'll have full private label rights to the email content, so you can tailor it to your list and personality effortlessly. Okay, so it won't sound too robotic. You can put your flavor, your personality in there as well. Module 3, professional and highly attractive lead capture page at a value of $1,000. A stunning, ready to use and upload and go squeeze page to max out your conversions and lower your cost per lead. Just add your personal autoresponder code, upload, and you're ready to rock and roll. Our designer is one of the very best in the industry, and we please ourselves to out-deliver in every product we create. This also comes with full private label rights, so you can edit the squeeze page as much as you want to suit your own personal objectives. So you're getting the private label rights for all of these modules, guys. Finally, guys, the optimized profit pulling thank you page is for a $400 value. A sleek thank you page with the giveaway video already embedded, no coding required. This is a professional delivery thank you page that your new subscribers will be redirected to as they've signed up for your list. There's plenty of space for you to add your own offer, bonus, or sponsor ads to monetize the new subscriber right away. Again, you have the full private label rights, okay? So you can you can use this to send to other people. You can sell this to other people. You can make 100% of the commissions, and this is going to keep driving profits as well. Module 5 is the expert website design with PSD files. You'll receive the full graphic files created by our top designers and ready for you to use to professionally brand your business. No need to pay expensive designers. You'll receive the source PSD format so you can easily edit and make changes using freely available graphics software, guys. So all of this total of $35.85, okay? So a real plug and play listing system. Here you go, guys. And you get this money back guarantee, okay? And they also talked about bonuses, guys. So they said what was it? $3,500 of bonuses, okay? And the front end, guys, so let's take a look at the price here. So there isn't too much to the front end, guys, what I showed you, okay? So the front end, everything that I just said right there was $24. So you're getting all that for $24. And then there is an upsell for $27. So let's look and see what this is. This is a multi-video upsell, guys. So there's 12 videos with this. So you're going to get the lead generation mastery overview. So you'll see the big picture and what list building is all about before you dive in. Number 2 is how to create your bribe offer. Learn to come up with highly enticing free offers to get more visitors to sign up to your list. How to create a high converting landing page. Techniques to optimize your landing page to convert more of your visitors to become subscribers. How to write your follow-up emails. Learn to write responsive emails to keep your readers engaged and looking forward to your emails. Buying email solo ads. Discover one of the most effective methods of generating traffic to build your list. Generating leads from Facebook. So with my bonus and this, you're going to get 2 ways of looking at how to use Facebook to really capitalize on that massive social platform. Get highly targeted traffic from the biggest social media network at a very low cost. Add swaps. Generate more leads through strategic partnerships with other marketers in your niche. Using Google AdWords to generate leads. Direct highly responsive leads who are looking for solutions on Google and bring them to your landing page. Number 9 is 100% commission offers. The insider secrets on why you should give out 100% commission offers to make massive profits. That's how you're going to get a lot more people helping you and a lot more emails as well. Okay, and adding your offer to other people's thank you page, leveraging on your joint venture partners to build your list without much effort, joining giveaway events, supercharge your list building efforts by using the power of giveaway events, and a free method on how to rank on search engines and get massive traffic on your page, guys. So there is a lot in this upsell that you're really going to get to have a broader knowledge, broader skills to really get more traffic, get more authoritativeness to your brand, and also get that list better as well. Plus, with my bonuses, you're going to have a lot of other tools to help you get there as well, guys. So all my bonuses here, guys, don't forget. So if you click on any of these red links, you can access my bonuses to really get some awesome traffic and a way to make more money as well. Okay, you guys, so you still got plenty of time. This doesn't go live until the 3rd of September. So yeah, you've got at least like 2.5 days, and then you've got 3 extra days to claim the bonuses. So you've got about 5 days at least, guys, to get all my bonuses and also get this tool as well, okay? So this wraps up my review on lead magnets packages, guys. I hope you found this informative, and if you think it's going to help, please use my links, because you want to get, I have 7 bonuses that I've added, plus with their bonuses and all of everything that they are going to give you with the front end. And if you get the upsell, you're going to get a ton of knowledge, a ton of skills to really kick your affiliate marketing career into the next level, guys. And I wish you the best of luck. And of course, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell so you're always kept up to date with my newest reviews, my newest tips on how to make money online. If you want to know, if you have any questions about making money online, or about these videos, or just to know a little bit more about my story, I want you to leave a comment, please, in the comments, and I promise I'll get back to you. All right, you guys? So with that being said, this is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. I want to thank you for your time, and best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.